In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use director mode in GTA 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are going to have access to director mode right after you are done with the prologue and the first mission of the game. So as you can see, this is my current progress. I have the prologue done, and then this mission, Franklin and Lamar, done. So now I have access to director mode. I don't know if you can access it earlier, but from this point onwards, I can guarantee that you will be able to go into director mode. All that you have to do is press M on your keyboard and you will be able to find director mode. If you are on a console using a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller, you are going to have to press on the touchpad, and if you have an Xbox One or Xbox Series X or S controller, just press the View button, and you are going to be able to go into director mode from the interaction menu that pops up. When you click director mode, you will be able to launch into director mode. So there is going to be this quick loading screen, and now you will see this cutscene play out. I'm just gonna let it happen here, and now you can choose the actors that you want to cast. You have a lot of options to choose from, and I'm not gonna go too in depth about this. You can see your own online characters, you can see different costumes, and you can find everything available for you here. Like I said, I'm not gonna try too hard. I'm only gonna go through some of these options, but I highly recommend that you take your time to carefully choose all of this and set up your own director mode scene. Once you are satisfied with the settings and the preset that you chose, you can go ahead and enter director mode. Now your character is going to walk out, and finally, after the loading screen is done, you can start casting around. You can try out different combinations of settings and record everything to your own liking. There are going to be tips at the top left corner of the screen, so as you can see, use the switch menu or interaction menu to return to the casting trailer, and you can press F1 to start recording or F2 to turn on action replay. Like I said, I can't give you too much information on how to properly do this, how to make it look cool. I highly recommend that you do your own research and you carefully explore how you can make cool scenes using director mode. To exit out of director mode, just press the same key, M, and you will be able to go back, return to the casting trailer, and then switch over to the usual story mode as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use director mode on GTA 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.